Hey guys, it's Adam here from F450LEDs.com. Today we have our Generation 5 Super Duty here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to install our running board kit here on this truck. This kit puts a lot of light on the running board and the ground that's surrounding your truck as well. This kit also adds an amazing aesthetic upgrade to the truck, and we're going to go ahead and jump into the install right now. So what we're going to do is take our adhesion promotion wipes and just go ahead and open it up and start cleaning down the surface, getting off any dust or mud or anything like that from the front of the truck all the way to the back. Now that we've cleaned our mounting surface, we're going to go ahead and take our running board strip and lay it out across the running board. Once we've done that, we're going to be ready to mount our strip. Now that we laid out our strip, we got under the truck on the passenger side, and we're at the front of the truck right now. You want to make sure when you lay out your strip and before you start mounting that the side with the wires is at the back of the truck, because that's where we're going to run the wires under the truck and into the cab of the truck to gain access to the harness to power it. So we have the front of the strip here. What we're going to do is begin to start peeling off this protective part that's protecting the 3M here. And we're going to peel it off in about 12-inch sections at a time, and we're going to mount it where we cleaned off earlier. When you mount it, you're just going to want to peel off, like I said, about 12 inches at a time, and then hold it firmly into place for about 30 to 60 seconds. Now that we have our strip mounted, we're going to take our included RTV silicone, we're going to throw on our included gloves, and we're going to go ahead and start applying a bead of silicone on the outside of each side of the strip, and then run our finger across it to really just make sure that the strip adheres to the truck. All right, now that we have our strip mounted to the truck, we're going to open the passenger rear door and remove this plastic panel here just by simply lifting up on it. It's just a few pop tabs. To do that, we'll expose your wiring harness, and we'll pull up on this plastic piece here to expose the place that we're going to be drilling a hole into the truck to allow the wires from the running board kit to run from underneath the truck into the cab of the truck. So once again, we're going to pull up like so. You'll see that your wiring harness is going down this way, so when you drill your hole, you're going to make sure that that has plenty of clearance so you don't accidentally puncture the side of those wires. We're going to take a 1/4 of an inch drill bit and then just go straight down through this metal surface. Like so. And now we're ready to run our wires into the cab of the truck. All right, we went ahead and mounted our strip to the driver's side the exact same way we did the passenger side. And we went ahead and drilled our hole, ran our wire underneath as well. And now we lifted up on our back seats here. We're gonna be running the wiring across the back of the truck to the passenger side so that we can connect the driver's side of the strip to the harness over here in the truck. Now that we've pulled our passenger side strip wire through this hole here, and we ran our driver's side strip through the hole under the truck and across the back of the beds here to the harness, we can connect to power. Once again, we are at the passenger rear door to connect to this harness. What we're going to do is take our included red clips. We're going to put the first channel over here like so, and then slide your black wire through here. For the grounding, we're going to be using a thick black wire with a yellow strip. Now we're going to take pliers and clamp down on this metal tab, like so. I'm going to close this off. For our power wire, there's a thin gray wire with a blue tracer. So once again, we're going to take our red clip, put the wire into the first channel. And then run our power wire into the other channel. Like so. And once again, use your pliers. Clamp down on this metal tab. Now that we've done that side, we're going to do the same for the wires from the driver strip. We're going to test our lights and we'll be good to go. Now that we have both wires connected, we're going to start cleaning up this area. Make sure there's no loose wires hanging underneath the truck as well. And then we'll put back on our plastic panel and we'll be good to go. So that's all there is to installing this running board kit on our Generation 5 Super Duty truck. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.